Hello, I'm in a 2016 Ford Fiesta, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance oil change light here. So you might see this lit up, and then you might see a warning prompt here. But to get rid of that, turn the vehicle off, and then we'll put it in accessory mode. And then when you do that, with your pedals, we'll push the brake and the accelerator pedals. Hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds or so. And just keep holding them. And this is all while it's in the accessory mode, so you don't want the engine turned on, but you want it all lit up. And let's wait for a bit. And like I said, once it's been about 20 to 30 seconds, you'll just now release these pedals, turn this off, and then when you turn this back on, you will see that this is no longer lit up and that your warning message here is now gone. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.